sa 270 Escobal Street, Pasay City. Hanap mo ba ay crispy and juicy fried chicken sa abot-kayang halaga? Tara na sa Happy Tummy Fried Chicken. Dito, makakasigurado ka na palaging fresh at bago ang chicken araw-araw. And we have different chicken parts na inyong mapagpipilian, combined with our fragrant Java rice and thick gravy. Sure na ito ay iyong babalik-balikan. At hindi lang yan, we also have different sauces for you to enjoy with your chicken. Gaya ng cheese, teriyaki gravy, buffalo sauce, and many more. Pwedeng pagsalu-saluhan ng buong pamilya o buong dabarkads. Garantisadong happy talaga ang tummy mo sa amin. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Tara na sa Happy Tummy Fried Chicken, ang crispy-licious and juicy-licious fried chicken in town. You can message us at 0966-812-7066 for orders and inquiries. Follow us on Facebook at Happy Tummy Fried Chicken. Mahanap kami sa 270 Escobal Street, Pasay City.